everybody. Glad to be here. Quick question. Who of you guys is actually invested in crypto? Okay, great. And who is actually managing his own or her own wallet, like non-custodial wallet? Okay, quite many. Cool. And who is earning on DeFi? Okay, less. Okay, great. So I think for the last ones of you who didn't show up, that's actually your presentation today. Okay, I see it already here.
Yeah. I already gave a sign over there.
I know. Okay, that's good. That's good now. Okay, so I hope you can identify with Paul.
One second, please. So we had a connection issue. I hope it's faster now.
Now we learn how to handle Anderson's protocol.
Cool. So those guys of you who didn't show up, I hope you can identify with Paul. Paul always puts his savings in his bank account in order to earn interest on his savings and to have his money work for him. His crypto, however, he keeps in his wallet and he doesn't do anything. Same is true for many others. There are 30 million crypto owners in Europe. 88% of them would like to earn on their crypto, but actually only 4% do. So why is that? And probably many of you have the same question. Earning interest on crypto is just way too hard. So there are apps where you can actually earn interest on your crypto, but those are mostly unregulated black boxes. So you give your cryptos to them, they do something with it, they pay the interest, but you don't know what they're doing and nobody's actually watching them because they're not regulated. And many of those solutions like FTX, Celsius, Genesis failed and people lost their money. On the other hand, there's DeFi. In DeFi, you can stay in control of your assets, but it's very complicated to use and most people don't understand. We built fija to solve that. We want that everybody is able to earn on their crypto and we want it to be compliant, easy, and transparent. So how do we make it compliant? We issue a BaFin regulated security bond that gives Paul and any other investor the legal framework for his investment. And we issue it as a security token that Paul can keep in his wallet. We make it very easy for Paul to invest as we integrate our crypto earn product as white label solution where Paul already has his crypto assets. So within his financial app or crypto exchange, such as Trade Republic or Bitpanda. And we make fija 100% transparent. Fija is completely developed in smart contracts, so every single transaction can be viewed in the blockchain. So Paul always knows where his funds are, and he is the only one having access to the funds with the security token he has in his wallet. Fija offers a library of DeFi yield strategies that we automate in smart contracts, and each of those strategies has an expected yield and associated risk. Those strategies make money by supplying liquidity to decentralized finance. And then those apps in DeFi, they need the liquidity in order to function, such as a DEX. And in order for us to provide the liquidity, they share their fees with us, so our strategies make money. Investing is really simple. Paul just picks a strategy according to his risk appetite and according to the crypto assets he wants to invest. And then he deposits the funds into the strategies smart contract and receives back the fija token. The fija token represents the assets and gives the access to the assets. So withdrawing is also very easy. Anytime Paul just hands back the fija token to the smart contract, and the smart contract pays out the investment plus the yields. So here's an example of a strategy. It's USDC strategy based on GMX, 21% yields. That's crazy, isn't it? So high yields actually are not for free, but require very complex strategies. So in this strategy, you can see multiple protocols involved. There's a rebalancing process. There's even a hedging process involved. There's risk mitigation methods involved. But don't bother. I don't want to bore you with the details now here. And with the, I think you just need to understand it's very complex to earn those yields. But for Paul, it's very easy. Because Paul just goes in his app, he clicks on earn, on the earn function, and selects how many crypto assets he wants to deposit, clicks on deposit, and he's done, and he can earn the yields. And that's it within his financial app. So we launched the product beginning of the year. We already have like roughly €1 million asset under management. And we are currently integrating with 4 platforms. With those platforms, we are planning to be at 20 million by September this year. And then in 2025, we are planning to actually tackle some of the bigger guys. Also, some of you guys are here. And to cooperate and get to 500 million asset under management by 2025. And then with the institutional players adopting 3 billion is our goal for 2030, which would be about 1% of the market share. We are a very diverse team. Just speed up a little bit here. 4 co-founders covering market, technology, legal, and DeFi. And we are currently raising our seed round for 1.8 million to build up the infrastructure to actually onboard some of those bigger platforms and customers to get to those 500 million next year and 100 million AUM by the end of the year. So if you are keen to invest alongside Keyrock, Tenity, or Heliad, please get in touch. You can scan the QR code here to get on our investors newsletter. Get in touch with me directly on LinkedIn or just talk to me after the conference. Thanks.